MIMA. Fam, assemble. Who's back for another round of financial wisdom bombs? You guys rocked last video, demolishing those financial security lies like they were yesterday's news. But listen up, we ain't here to just hand out participation trophies. We want you all to be financial freedom fighting champions. That's right, we're ditching the never enough blues and turning you all into fishing masters. Because teaching a man to fish is great, but imagine the bragging rights of catching your own financial whale. All right, enough with the fishing metaphors already. Look, we know you can't live on fish alone, unless you're Aquaman, then more power to you. That's why today, we're trading the bait and tackle for e-commerce gold. We're talking about diving headfirst into the financial ocean of online selling. And this time, we're not just catching metaphorical fish, we're hauling in six-figure profits, baby. Have you ever wondered what it takes to succeed in the e-commerce world? It's more than just a great idea or a fancy website. The heart of e-commerce success lies in selecting the right products. With eMarketer predicting the global e-commerce market to reach a staggering $6.5 trillion in sales this year, the opportunities are endless. But how can you capitalize on this growth? By aligning with the top trends, of course. So what are the top 5 products that are winning in this booming market? Let's dive in. The first hot-selling item on our list is eco-friendly products. The green movement is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle shift that's here to stay. With the increasing awareness about environmental issues, consumers are actively looking for sustainable options. We're talking about everything from reusable shopping bags to organic personal care products. The potential here is enormous. According to a report by Nielsen, sales of products with sustainability claims on the packaging grew more than 2 times faster than those without. This trend is only expected to grow as more consumers prioritize the environment in their purchasing decisions. So, if you're looking for a product with a broad market appeal and a positive impact, eco-friendly items are a winning choice. That's our first winner. Now let's move to the next one. The second product that is flying off the virtual shelves is eco-friendly kitchenware. Sustainability is not just a buzzword anymore. It's a lifestyle choice for millions. As more consumers are becoming environmentally conscious, the demand for eco-friendly products is skyrocketing. The global eco-friendly kitchenware market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of nearly 7% over the next 5 years. Take bamboo utensils, for instance. They're not only biodegradable but also durable and stylish. Or consider silicone food storage bags. They're reusable, easy to clean, and perfect for those aiming to reduce plastic waste. These products are not just a win for the environment, they're a win for your e-commerce store too. Eco-friendly kitchenware perfectly combines the consumer's desire for practicality with their aspiration to make environmentally friendly choices. It's a trend that's here to stay. With 2 down, let's check out the third winning product. All right, MIMA fam, so there you have it. The first taste of e-commerce gold we're serving up today. But hold on, that's just the tip of the iceberg, or should I say the profit iceberg. We've got 2 more red-hot trends coming your way, and trust me, these babies have the potential to explode your sales in 2024. But before we dive deeper, let's talk real talk for a second. Are you feeling the e-commerce fire ignite within you? Do you see yourself as the next online selling superstar? Pauses for effect. Well, guess what? You don't have to wait any longer. Hit that pause button right now and head over to the comment section below. Tell us which of these hot products you're most excited about selling and why. The most creative and insightful comment might just win a surprise e-commerce bonus from yours truly. All right, let's get back to those profit-generating trends. Our third hot-selling item is the eco-friendly bamboo toothbrush. With consumers becoming increasingly concerned about the environmental impact of their purchases, this product is set to make waves. According to a report by Grandview Research, the global bamboo toothbrush market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of over 20% from 2024 to 2030. The driving forces? A rising awareness of oral hygiene and a growing commitment to sustainable living. But the appeal of the bamboo toothbrush doesn't stop at its eco-friendly credentials. Its aesthetic appeal, with its minimalist design and natural materials, is a hit with the Instagram generation, making it a product that's not just practical but shareable too. Now let's move on to our fourth product. This one's a game changer for the health conscious out there, the smart water bottle. In an age when wellness is a top priority, this product is a winner. It's not just a bottle, it's a hydration coach, reminding you to drink water and tracking your intake. Market research from Technavio shows that the smart water bottle market is expected to grow by nearly $2 billion by 2028, with a compound annual growth rate of over 14%. The reasons? A booming fitness industry, growing health awareness, and the rise of smart technology in everyday objects. So there we have it, 2 more products that are not just riding the wave of current trends, but are set to shape the future of e-commerce. The bamboo toothbrush and the smart water bottle are more than just items. They're a reflection of wider societal shifts towards sustainability and health. We're almost at the end. Ready for the final product? And last but certainly not least, our 5th winning product is none other than sustainable and eco-friendly products. With the rise in environmental awareness, consumers are turning towards goods that are kinder to our planet. Everything from biodegradable kitchenware to organic clothing is flying off virtual shelves as more and more individuals commit to a greener lifestyle. According to a report by Nielsen, 73% of global consumers say they would definitely or probably change their consumption habits to reduce their impact on the environment. That's a significant market waiting to be tapped into. Moreover, the eco-friendly product market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of over 5% between now and 2030. This trend is not just a passing fad. It's a long-term shift in consumer behavior that's here to stay. There you have it, the top 5 winning products for e-commerce success. So, those are the top 5 hottest trends in the e-commerce market. Each of these items has proven its worth in the rapidly evolving online marketplace, offering exciting prospects for those willing to take the plunge. But remember, these trends are just the tip of the iceberg. The real secret to e-commerce success lies in diligent market research, identifying your unique target audience, and offering them something they can't resist. Be it the latest fitness gadget or the newest eco-friendly product, understanding your audience's needs and preferences can turn potential customers into loyal brand advocates. And let's not forget innovation. In this dynamic world of e-commerce, staying ahead of the curve is not just an option, it's a necessity. The more inventive and unique your product offering, the better your chances of standing out in the crowd. We hope this video has given you some food for thought as you chart your own path in the e-commerce world. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a newbie just dipping your toes in the water, we believe in your potential to make a splash. Ready to turn your e-commerce dreams into reality? Remember to like, subscribe, and share your top product pick in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about your e-commerce journeys. We'll be back next week with more insights and tips to help you navigate this exciting landscape. See you next week. Wowza! Those are just some of the incredible opportunities waiting for you in the exciting world of e-commerce. Remember, MIMA fam, these are just starting points. The key to success is finding your niche, doing your research, and most importantly, taking action. So are you ready to say goodbye to never enough and hello to a life of financial freedom fueled by e-commerce success? Host holds out imaginary fishing rod. Then grab your metaphorical fishing rod, because we're about to show you how to catch those 6-figure profits. Here's what you need to do. Like this video if you learned something valuable and want to see more e-commerce content. Subscribe to the channel to become a bona fide MIMA fam member and never miss a financial wisdom bomb. Leave a comment below telling us which product surprised you the most or what other e-commerce trends you'd like us to explore. Until next time, bye.